How to see comments on X, Twitter. First, open the X app on your Android device. Scroll through your timeline and find a tweet you want to check out. Now, if you tap the speech bubble below the tweet, it will prompt you to post your reply. But wait, what if you want to read the comments? Here is the trick. Instead of tapping the bubble, tap the title or part of the tweet. That's where you will see all the comments. Now, you can easily scroll through and read all the replies to the tweet. You can also like, reply or retweet any comment you like. If there are more replies, just tap view more replies to see even more. Pro tip, you can filter the replies to see the top or latest replies by tapping the filter icon. It's a great way to find the most popular or the freshest comments. And that's how you check out comments on X. Easy and quick. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.